Howdy folks, my name's Dan. I'm here to tell you about how to make insulation at home using a table saw, dado blade, and some rails that guide cardboard through the blade. It's very cost effective, savings about 70%, and I can make about 80 to 100 pounds an hour. I'm going to show you now how to run it through the table saw. We normally do the flaps first and then cut down through the middle. Here we go. So that's a little introduction about how you run through the table saw. It's pretty simple to do it, and it's very cost effective, like I said. And you do look for staples, and we don't worry about the plastic and that on it. It take a little while to take that off. So we just run that through, and this is what it looks like. All shredded up. Great for insulation. You simply add your borax to that. You can use it for kitty litter or pet bedding or absorbent material for your garage. I did talk to the insurance company. My insurance company says it's okay to use it as long as it isn't near stovepipes. So if you don't have your own table saw, you can probably source a friend or a neighbor who can do it up for you. So if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Have yourself a great day. Hope to see you in the near future. And that's it for now. Bye.